Did you see it? We'll see it on the way back. Okay folks, I'm on my way back from the landfill. Now I make this trip basically once a week. And you know, lately along these roads on the way to the landfill, there's been a lot of lots being cleared and people are moving in. But I got caught by surprise. There's nobody behind me today. Now let's see exactly where it is. Let's see exactly where it is. There it is. There it is. Alright. Can you see it? I don't want to pull any further off the road now. The mailman's coming on the other side. Now, I don't know what year that is. If you can identify it, you help me out. I think it's cut off and set there. Yeah, it's cut off. It's not buried. Alright? Now, aside from them having painted it up, see there's a new entrance there, so it's theirs. They're decorating. That way, when friends of theirs come out to their new place, they'll be able to find it. Just look for the orange Volkswagen. Now, what it reminds me of, is that when I was a kid, I'm looking to make sure no traffic's coming. When I was a kid, in the first half of the 1950s, a friend of my father, I think that's right, around 55, maybe a little bit earlier than that, a friend of my father's came by, my father asked him to show me and my brother his brand new Volkswagen Bug and the ooga ooga horn. I'll see if I can find a picture of the first model, because he had one of the earliest VW Beetles that had been imported to the States. So when I saw that out front of that property as a new decoration, I just couldn't resist it. Steve AB4L, just reminiscing a little bit and having fun, saying see you at 73.